Hey guys, today it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas, my Stitch toy. And I really want to see what's in it. So it says it has 11 surprises, figures, stickers, clip-on, plushies, squishy toy, and a poster. Right, let's open it. Oh, there's a little tag in the back. Little thing. I'm sorry, Stitch. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye, buddy. I have to open you up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's Stitch Head and Stitch ears, and he's really shiny. This is gonna be awesome. Oh, first it's the plushie. It's Tsum Tsums. I love Tsum Tsums. They're so cute. My first Stitch, actual Stitch plushie. Stick it good. Oops, here. I don't know if I broke that. I'll let you guys read it for a little bit. Oh. Oh. It's another Stitch figure. Actually, maybe I've seen this. Oh. Another net. Other light. Okay. There you can put it like this. You can put it like this. You can put it like that. I'll get it out. Ooh, tough choice. Awesome. Oh my god, this is so cute. Alright, that's everything. Bye. Wait, never mind, not bye. I just saw that there's more stickers. So there's this one. Dorbs. This one. Oh, this is even cuter. And this guy. Oh, hello, Stitch. So, hopefully you guys like and subscribe. Bye.